Hi everyone, today we'll be unpackaging this. I've already removed the plastic that came with this, and this is a product of Apple, very famous AirPods Pro with wireless charging case and designed by Apple in California. And let's see, there's a symbol, case, and then it just says that it's a charging case. So let's get to it, unboxing it. Designed by Apple in California. It's the AirPods Pro. Looks like they have a little instructions how to connect it. So if you're not sure, you can always read these instructions. You can connect to Apple devices such as your watch, iPad, MacBook, if you have any of those. So it's really nice. It connects to all of those great things. Then just safety and handling book. So that'll come in handy. And then there is 1 year limited warranty. So it does come with 1 year of warranty, which is great. So if you notice anything that's wrong, they should be able to help you out with that. And this is their compliance information. So it just goes over their compliance. And there's that, and then it has it in different languages as well. And then here is the final product. See, it's a little similar to the other one, but a little the angle is more wider. There's a charging where you can charge it, and then so it opens, and then that's the green light means it's charged, and then R for right, and then you plug it in, and then you are good to go to enjoy some music. Then let's see, what else does it come with? Looks like this is just the cable to charge it. Very nicely packed. I believe that is it.
It doesn't come with the charger brick. I didn't see the charger brick over there.
It does have this. These are, I think, extra buds in case you lose them, which is very common to do. So that is very nice to have. And that is it. That was a small tutorial. Hopefully you liked it. Thank you for watching.